Here's how to add subtitles in CapCut. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can add subtitles in CapCut. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First, just simply open up CapCut, and of course we're gonna have ads. It's CapCut. So I'm just gonna skip this ad real quick. And yeah, once you're inside CapCut and your video is over here, so you simply need to go ahead and press on the option of text over here, the third option, edit audio and then text. You simply need to press on that and make sure that your video has some sort of audio in it, because if it doesn't have any audio, you cannot. So you get many options, just like add text, stickers, auto captions, and many others. So what you can do is either select auto captions or auto lyrics. So auto caption is the best option, but you just need to press on that. And here, as you can see, that there are some other text that need the pro feature, but the other ones don't need any pro feature. But the pro ones are actually so good that you can adjust them anywhere. But like, yeah, I'm just gonna do the basic one and just press generate. And here, as you can see, it says one use left. After one use, I cannot. It's just gonna ask for money every time. It's gonna tell me to upgrade to pro. So if I press generate here, as you can see, it's generating. So you just gotta wait of under the, and here you go. Here, as you can see, it actually detected the language as well, and yeah, it could be random, but yeah, here you go. Now if the video had more words in it or more talks, it would have like basically gave the video more like subtitles, but not only the first one. And yeah, this is how you can do it, and you just simply press export after that. And this is actually it on how you can add subtitles in CapCut. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.